Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the BANG Olufsen speaker and I'm going to tell you how you can easily use all controls and digesters. So let me take this flower away. Here we have the pause and play button. If we click this button we can pause and play our music. If we double tap this button we can skip to the next song, and if we triple tap we can go to the previous one. Apart from that, here we have the plus and minus buttons, and with the plus and minus we can increase and decrease the volume level. Using plus we can increase and minus decrease. As you can see, it works. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.